Recent 2025 research from cellular biologists has revealed that when mitochondrial DNA gets damaged, specialized enzymes don't just patch it up like you'd fix a torn piece of paper. Instead, they use a process called homologous recombination that involves temporarily splitting and rejoining DNA strands through quantum mechanical processes that let particles bypass normal physical barriers. These mitochondrial repair systems work by creating what scientists call recombination intermediates. The damaged DNA sections get paired with healthy template DNA, and then cellular machinery literally joins the genetic material together at the molecular level. This process releases energy in tiny bursts that power the repair mechanism itself. What makes this so remarkable is that these quantum tunneling events happen at temperatures and pressures where classical physics says such reactions shouldn't occur. Yet your cells manage it through quantum effects that are only now being understood. The numbers behind cellular activity are absolutely staggering. In an average human body, researchers have calculated that approximately 37 trillion cellular processes occur every single day. These aren't just happening in a few specialized cells either. Every cell containing mitochondria, which is basically every cell except red blood cells, runs these quantum-assisted repair processes continuously throughout your entire life. When these cellular repair processes malfunction, the consequences can be severe and create some truly bizarre byproducts. Faulty mitochondrial DNA repair can generate what researchers call repair debris, which consists of partially processed genetic fragments that accumulate in cells over time. This debris doesn't just sit there harmlessly. It actively interferes with normal cellular functions and can trigger inflammatory responses that accelerate aging. Even more disturbing, some of this repair debris gets incorporated into new DNA strands during cell division, potentially passing defective genetic information to daughter cells. Malfunction scenarios get even weirder. Sometimes the repair process gets stuck halfway through completion, creating what scientists term DNA chimeras within individual cells. These chimeric DNA molecules contain genetic information from multiple repair attempts, essentially creating cellular anomalies that produce proteins your body was never designed to make. Recent case studies have documented patients with rare mitochondrial disorders who produce over 40 different types of abnormal proteins directly traced to these failed repair events. Scientists studying aging and disease in 2025 have become fascinated by these cellular repair processes because they appear to be central to how our bodies break down over time. Research teams at major universities are now mapping exactly how repair efficiency decreases with age and correlates with the onset of age-related diseases. They've discovered that people with naturally more efficient mitochondrial repair systems tend to live longer and maintain better health into their 90s and beyond. The latest findings reveal that you can actually measure someone's biological age by analyzing their cellular repair rates. People with higher repair efficiency typically show biological ages 5 to 8 years younger than their chronological age. Conversely, individuals with compromised repair systems often exhibit accelerated aging patterns and higher risk for cardiovascular disease and neurodegeneration. What's truly mind-blowing is how these discoveries are changing disease treatment approaches. Oncologists have found that certain cancer cells hijack these mitochondrial repair processes to fuel their rapid growth and spread. Cancer cells can dramatically increase their repair activity, essentially turn themselves into cellular repair factories that consume enormous amounts of cellular resources. This discovery has led to experimental treatments that specifically target and disrupt cancer cell repair processes while leaving healthy cells unaffected. The energy conversion rates in human cells have led some researchers to jokingly refer to people as biological reactors, but the comparison highlights the remarkable efficiency with which our cells convert energy to sustain life. A single mitochondrion can produce up to 38 ATP molecules from one glucose molecule through these quantum-assisted processes, representing an impressive energy conversion efficiency. These cellular repair systems also respond to external factors in surprising ways. Physical exercise increases repair rates by up to 40% in muscle cells, which partially explains why regular exercise has such powerful anti-aging effects. Certain foods, particularly those rich in specific amino acids and antioxidants, can boost repair efficiency by providing the raw materials these processes need to function optimally. Temperature changes affect these cellular repair rates too. People living in colder climates tend to have slightly higher repair activity as their cells work harder to maintain energy production for temperature regulation. This might explain why populations from colder regions often show longevity patterns that differ from those in warmer climates. The implications extend beyond individual health. Environmental toxins can severely disrupt these cellular repair processes, with some industrial chemicals reducing repair rates by over 60% in exposed individuals. This discovery has prompted new research into how environmental factors contribute to aging and disease through their effects on mitochondrial repair systems. Recent studies have also revealed that these repair processes follow circadian rhythms, with peak activity occurring between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. in most people. This explains why many individuals feel most energetic during these hours, and why certain medical treatments work better when timed to coincide with peak cellular repair activity. The genetic factors controlling these repair processes are more complex than initially thought. Scientists have identified over 200 genes that directly influence mitochondrial repair efficiency, and variations in these genes can account for up to 30% of the difference in rates between individuals. Some people inherit genetic variants that make their cellular repair systems naturally more efficient, essentially giving them built-in longevity advantages. This cellular weirdness represents just the beginning of what 2025 science has uncovered about the bizarre world around us. While your cells run their microscopic quantum repair systems, there's an entire universe of living creatures thriving in places you encounter every single day, including something as ordinary as what you might be drinking right now: the invisible zoo in your coffee cup. Scientists